focus is out of so many things that are there before you. What is the priority that you are giving on one particular thing and focus on that particular. Out of many things, on what topic or what subject, what exactly you are focusing. That should be clear. And you should not distract from that. And concentration means ekagrata. Emitadi? Focus is spatial. Concentration is time. Means with reference to time. Once you start studying that, so your concentration should not deviate from time to time. Means your present moment, next moment and current moment should concentrate on only one thing, on the subjects that you want to study. So unless you have this type of focus and concentration, see, learning will not be that great. For example, you know the story in Mahabharata. Dronacharya conducts one test for all his students. So he asks them to shoot a bird on the tree. So everybody is coming and trying to shoot that bird. So somebody sees the tree, trunk, branch, leaves, etc. But only in the case of Arjuna, he says that what you are seeing, he says that I am seeing the eye of the bird. That means he has focus. And that focus is not getting distracted with time. So such people will learn practically what 𝗪𝗡𝗍ను నేర్చుకోవటంలో ఫోకస్, ఆ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ అర్జునికి ఉన్నంతగా మిగిలిన వాళ్ళకి లేదు. So adi, that was very clear in that particular test. So that applies not only to Arjuna, to every one of us in our day-to-day life. Unless we develop that focus and concentration on the subjects that we are studying, we can't learn much, because most of our time will be lost in distractions. So in addition to this, passion, focus and concentration